Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. Today I've got a Porsche Cayenne. Cayenne Turbo. The customer wanted, when he bought the car, it didn't have the automatic headlights. See here, there's no automatic headlights. You're gonna turn when you go into the tunnel or when it gets dark, you gotta turn this on. But the customer asked me last year, can I actually make it work? So yes, I can. Nothing is impossible. If you have an old car, anything to do with auto electrical or something that you really want for your car, but if that feature doesn't have it, just come and see me at EMD Automotive. My name is Paul. I'm the owner here, and I'll show you what I've done. So please excuse the mess. It's just the way it is. So make things work before I actually get it working. So I had to test the system outside. So just pretend that your front headlights, that's the sensor that when it gets dark, this sensor will tell the computer to turn the headlights on. So this is the light luminosity. I'm not sure what they call it, but the brightness of the light. If it's dark, it will supply power to this. If it's daytime, we'll take the power out. Depending how dark it is, you can set it up to different luminosity, brightness. But let's just have a look how it works. Let me carefully plug in my power. There. As you can see, it's on now. So if I put the light on it, it will turn off. If I make it dark, it will turn on. Oh, be hot there. Turn on. Put the light on it. It will turn off. So when it gets dark, the headlight will come on by itself. It's called automatic headlights. Alright, so just cover the sensor, lights come on. Alright, now that's the easy bit. Now the hard bit is actually wiring up to the car, because some cars have computers to turn it on and some cars have bi-xenon. If it's just a normal non-bi-xenon, it will be easier, but if it's bi-xenon, I can always get around it. Alright, thanks for watching. We can do this system, we can actually incorporate this system wired up to any car. Doesn't matter if it's 1948 Porsche or 2019. Doesn't matter. Audi, Volkswagen, any car, old or new, we can get it done. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.